Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and I am alumni of NIFT Bangalore. Welcome you to Pahal Design channel. Pahal Design is a pioneer preparing students for design colleges, architecture as well as finance. Pahal Design is preparing since 22 years and now they are having 38 centers across Pan India. So you are welcome to join our crash courses. So we have received a notification related to entrance exam 2021 session of NIFT on their official website. The entrance exam of NIFT for academic session 2021 is on 14th of February. The last date to apply for the same is 21st January as of now. The admit card for the same will be released on 1st of February. NIFT now has 17 centers all across Pan India and they are offering 7 undergraduation courses and 3 post-graduation courses. So all the aspirants who want to pursue their dream, who want to go and get their dream college, NIFT, are welcome at Pahal Design to prepare for the same. Thank you so much and all the best.